Hey loves, my name is Anisera. You're welcome to this channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you the easiest way on how to fix this collar perfectly. Please stay till the end and don't forget to like and subscribe. The first thing I did was to measure around this collar with my tape rule and I got 9.5.1. Please take note that my outfit is on fold, so I folded the neck into 2 before measuring it. I added ½ inch to that measurement to cut out the collar. And as you can see, my collar is folded into 2. Now I folded it again into 4 with the width 9.5.1 plus ½ inch extra for my sewing allowance. So just measure around yours. Whatever you get, add ½ inch to that. Now for the length of my collar, I used 3 inches, but I added ½ inch to that for sewing allowance, which made it 3.5, and I would say that should be a standard measurement for this kind of collar. Then for the tip of the collar, I wanted it to be 2.5. I added ½ inch to that for sewing allowance. That made it 3 inches. Now I connected those lines together with freehand, but you can also use your ruler if you like. The next thing I did was to cut that out with my scissors. Just cut it out gently and neatly, following the lines you just drew. Please make sure that your fabric is folded into 2 and then you fold it again. That makes it folded into 4 because you are cutting both the main collar and the lining for the collar together. Also go ahead to notch the center piece, and mind you, I have already interfaced this fabric. I added ST to it. The next thing I did was to fold it to the wrong part of the fabric, and then from the part I notched, I measured that same 9.5.2 to the left and to the right, and then I stitched it. As you can see, I measured from that notch part. I measured to that 9.5.1, that I measured, and then I stitched from that part all the way up for both sides of the collar. After that, you're going to turn your collar to the right side. Turn it out to the right side and you can go give it a good press. Just iron it out. So guys, this is what it looks like. The next thing we're going to do is to attach it to the neck of this dress. So love, you're going to fix the part that has no ST. For me, I ST'd one part of the collar. But if you ST'd the 2 parts of the collar, just put one part at the right side of your dress, the front part of your dress, not the wrong side of your dress. But for me, since I ST'd just one part of the collar, I'm going to put the side that has no ST from the tip of the neck of the dress. I'm going to put it at the right side, the part that has no ST at the right side. So I'm going to fix the tip of the collar to the tip of the neck. From there, I'm going to put the neck of the dress in between the 2 collar, and then I'm going to sew that part closed. And I measured 2.5 inches. You can see where I notched on the dress. I notched that place. That's after measuring it, I got 2.5, so I notched that place. So that is where I'm going to be ending the sewing. So as you can see, I was just trying to fix the neck of the dress in between the collar. Just fix it in between the collar and stop at that 2.5, and you can see how I gave it a notch at that point. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more sewing tutorials. So my loves, you are going to do the same thing at the other tip of the collar. Just do the same thing, and you can see that area of the collar is looking neat. So do the same thing at the other tip. Sandwich the neck of the dress in between the 2 collar. Don't forget, in between the 2 collar. Just wrap it round there. Wrap the collar around the neck on that point, and then you sew that area close. Don't forget to measure 2.5 inches and then you close it there. After stopping your stitch there, you are going to give it a notch. After giving it a notch, you will turn it out. Just tuck it out on that point. The next thing to do is to take the area that doesn't have ST on it. Like I said before, if yours have ST on both sides, just take one piece. But for me, just one area has ST. So I took the part that doesn't have ST, and I took the center points that I already added, I already notched. I merged it to the center part of the neck for the dress, and now I'm going to make a stitch around that area. Just make a stitch on only the parts that don't have ST on it. Sew that part alone to the neck of the dress. You're going to start from that 2.5 area that you notched all the way to the center of the neck and the collar. Just sew it down neatly. And please don't drag it. If you drag it, it's going to have lumps. Don't drag it, just be gentle with it. So guys, if you've gotten to this point of this tutorial, I want to say a very big thank you to you. So as you can see, I stitched from one notch area to the other notch area, and then I stopped there. Now this is how it looks, looking neat. The next thing I'm going to do is to sew the other side of the collar on top it like a band. Just sew it there to cover all the rough edges. That is what is going to make your collar neat. You can see I was just folding the tip in by 1/2 inch, and I was just folding it in, and then I'm going to make a stitch on it. Just take a look at what I'm doing and you will get it right. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Please leave a comment for me in the comment section. Thank you. The next thing I did was to start arranging the collar, and I'm going to show you how it looks. So it's looking very neat, very emphasis on the neat. It's very neat and very fine. If this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also leave a comment for me in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.